Hi everyone, my name is Desiree, and what I have for you today is a meditation all focusing on space. So through the act of yoga, through the act of meditation, this is all about tapping into our truest selves, getting to know ourselves, living through that heart space, right? And just becoming at peace with not just ourselves, but everything around us, right? So I want you to find your most comfortable practice area, right? Or just to carve out a few minutes of your time today, right? And get situated. Right, so get out all the fidgets, all the wiggles. If you need to take some movement beforehand, by all means, please do. Right, but whatever is going to just bring you in to yourself and just some place where you can sit for a few minutes. When you get all the fidgets, everything out, then go ahead and close the eyes. When you close your eyes, I want you to see this as you're arriving in this seat, in this posture, with intention, with all of your attention. Right? You're arriving with awareness and love. So what this seat says to yourself, even if it's not spoken, but maybe this unspoken intention, is that you care for yourself, that you're making time for yourself, and that this is important. Turn your focus onto your breath. And there's no need to alter the breath here, but I want you to become aware of the quality of your breath. Are your inhales and exhales short and sharp? Are they more soft and natural? Whatever the quality of breath is, again, I don't ask you to change it unless they are those shorter, sharper breaths, right? We want to start to evoke a sense of calm. Now that you've found a pace of breath that works for you. And if you need to spend this meditation just focusing on your breath, by all means, please do. But with this breath, I want you to notice where in your body do you feel this breath. Do you feel it in your belly? Do you feel it in through your entire body? Right? But what we want to start doing is allowing that breath, that energy, that pulsation, right, to just flow and grow. Right, and then just slowly start to spread. Right, and this is going to be a slow spread. Right, slowly, I want this air to move further throughout your body. Slowly filling up the edges and crevices of your body. So that eventually this pulsation, right, this ebb and this flow will rush over the entire body like a wave. Allow that air to expand through the entire trunk, down through the arms, allow that air to move through your legs, And the more that this air and this energy expands, the more the entire body breathes as one unit. So now your body, your breath, and your space all start to sink in as one. And very, very slightly, I just want you to deepen your inhales and your exhales just a little bit. Start to evoke more of a slower sensation, slower pulsation. And because you are so connected right now, I want you to imagine that this air now starts to spread from the inside of the body to the outer edge of your body. And that with each passing inhale and exhalation, that breath, that energy, that prana will slowly start to disperse and spread evenly into your space. Send this energy out further, right, by staying still in your breath and just allow it to spread, to dissipate, and eventually your internal environment will then sync with your external environment. I want you to find a sense of wholeness, a sense of relaxation, dig in for a sense of joy and peace. It's all about that rhythm, falling in rhythm with yourself and your surroundings. Work as one unit. Establish harmony. If you can stay here in this meditation, then continue to follow your breath and allow your energy to ebb and flow. If you need to come out with me, then inhale a little deeper. Take any small intuitive movements that feel good to you here, or just stay in stillness. And then when you're ready, gently open up your eyes. Thank you so much for sharing this practice with me. I look forward to hearing about your experience with meditation, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you again so much. My name is Desiree. See you later.